2023 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 22,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.